Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the last day of the month, so tomorrow is April 1st, and I need to get everything caught up. So this is something I think I forgot to do last time. Here's some more gas. Hulu. Let's see. Okay. And now that we're back at the other side, there's more income than stuff. We'll go up here. So my husband got paid today. So 47, 56, 64. We switched insurance plans or people, companies, whatever. So we got a refund, but we have to send this to the mortgage company for, I guess, escrow. I don't really know how all this works, so that's what we will do just to stay right, I guess. This is a tomato and an energy drink. I don't remember what this was. I don't think there's any splits. I've been pretty good about just doing it the way it's supposed to be, I guess. Okay, here's a restaurant. This is fun money. Grocery. Just to make sure. Okay. Restaurant. This was fun money. Restaurant. Okay, here's the new insurance. So, where this says Safeco, change it to Mercury, and put 202.50. And that's what it was for this month, just to, I guess, get started. It's supposed to be cheaper next month. Okay, my husband's other prescription. Oh, it's like, where was the other one? There it is. So, 43.78. Kitty litter is pets. And it looks like there's only these two left, and I'm going to put them under miscellaneous. I could put it under me or wherever. I mean, it was bought, that was online because it was Amazon, but this was in store, and yeah. So 276.92. iTunes storage came out today. This came out 24th. Planned and paid. Okay, cool. So yeah, and this is over also because I got milk again today. Oh, I didn't click that twice, but it's okay. So 632.72. There is 70 left in restaurants. That's good. There is 52 left in household. That's good. I'm not quite sure how much is in fund money. $30 does sound about right, unless you don't count the $5 that I just used to buy milk. I'm not sure. And my husband is going to go to a concert tonight, so I'm going to give him the rest of the fund money to use. He can get drinks, snacks, whatever. Okay, all this is paid. Oh, this wound up being $375. Okay, I didn't put none toward auto maintenance. I did that. This, yeah, it took that plus some. So, oh yeah, that's what I did. I changed it to 181. No, not 11. Okay. I had a, yeah, vision appointment, glasses and contacts, covered. Okay. I think everything else looks good. Since I did put, that we spent for taxes, yes, but I also put cash. So this amount, or what it says is left, is not right. There's like 600 in there. And I need to take that out, and I think we're going to have to take some from savings. And you can, like I said, I don't know how you call it, what you call it, but anyway, if we take some from savings, because like I said, there is a good amount that says left to budget, but for whenever the check comes out for the insurance or the thing to go to mortgage, what was the other thing? I thought there was something else. Oh yeah, taxes, just to pay taxes because they're due the 18th of the next month. So yeah, between those two, I think we're going to have to pull a little bit from the emergency fund to be good. Oh, this doesn't have my paycheck. I got paid Wednesday. Okay, all these are caught up. I don't think I'm missing anything. I could be. So I guess for buffer, we're just going to say 62, 17, 87. and then I will make a video for what April should be after this loads. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!